Then the hands can float down by the sides. And as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as if you're gathering in energy, bring it into the heart, and then send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, breathing out. Nice and easy, nice and slow, feeling the sensations in the body. One more time, sink the chi. And then step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front, just to about shoulder height. Then the arms get heavy, floating down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in like mist rising from the lake. Breathing out, drifting down like a gentle rain. We call this opening the door, the start of the journey. One more time, rising up, softening down. And then the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the palms face up. They float up the midline of the body, turning at the heart, pressing up overhead, floating out and down, holding up the sky. Breathing in as you rise up, breathing out, letting go. Opening the shoulders and the chest, decompressing the spine. One more time, holding up the sky. This time the hands float up to the heart. One hand pushes up, the other pushes down, connecting sky and earth. And then switching sides, keeping the spine neutral at first. Then this time, if you like, you can do a side bend, but always easing in, never forcing it. Once more to the other side, connecting sky and earth. And the bottom hand comes up, and then push to the corner, the other hand pushes behind. Coming back to center, push to the other corner. The dragon spreads its wings. Nice and easy, gentle rotation, pushing to the corner. And then one more time. This time the back hand swings around as if it's gliding on the surface of the water. The other hand comes around as the dragon swings its tail. It's like you're sending little ripples out into the distance, gliding on the surface of the water. And then this time the hands come together in prayer position. They float right across the eye level, and then across the heart, and then lower abdomen, the swimming dragon. The hands float back up for another round, drifting across, up high, and then across the heart, and then a little bit lower. And then release, round out as if you're hugging a big tree, bring it to the center, and then draw the hands in towards the heart, push out to the side. Draw the hands back in towards the heart, push to the other side. The dragon stretches its tail. This time, pressing the hands out to the side, the opposite foot can tap out to the other side. So a nice gentle reach with the leg. Other side, tap the toes out to the side. All right, this time you can tap the toes out in front, like you're testing out the water. Other side, tapping the toes out in front. This time you can tap behind. Other side, tapping the toes behind. And you can continue to step behind, or you can cross diagonally behind. One more time, the dragon stretches its tail. And then step back in and hug the tree right out in front. From here, the hands face each other, right in front of the heart. Take a nice deep breath in. And as you breathe out, the hands drop down and then float out to the sides, coming up to shoulder height. Floating back down, coming back up in front of the heart. Breathing in, breathing out, cleansing the lungs. It's like you're clearing out old stuck energy that's no longer serving you. Making room for the new. All right, one more time, cleansing the lungs. And then this time, keep on circling around until you hug the tree, right out in front. And then step one foot out a little bit wider. And then from here, the fingers point down as you soften the hips and knees. The hands come forward and all the way up and over, and then down in front of the body like you're holding a column of air. We call this one digging in the garden. Coming all the way up just as much as you can comfortably, and then coming down one more time. And then reverse direction with the hands, going up and over and down, softening down, and then the hands come back up in front as we harvest from the garden. Circling around. Nice and easy, one more time. And then round out as if you're hugging a big tree. From here, the arms open wide. This hand here scoops under the other one on top as you embrace the moon. And then pivot on the heel, the toes point out to the side. The moon orbits around the earth. The hands circle around as if you're carrying something precious. Tuning into the body, feeling the sensations. And then reverse direction, whichever way you were going, just go the other way. Don't worry about getting it perfect. Just feeling the sensations, being mindful. And then hug the tree, bring it back to center. And then from here, the arms open wide. Then this hand scoops under, the other one on top, embrace the moon, pivot on the heel, the toes point out to the side, the moon orbits the earth. As you guide the moon around, circulating the energy and blood flow. And then reverse direction, sometimes called stirring the chi. Circulating the energy, feeling the flow. And then when you're ready, you can hug the tree, bring it back to center, and soften. And then step one foot in, either foot. And then from here, the arms draw in towards the heart as you step in, and then step out to the corner as you push forwards in space. Draw the hands back in as you shift back, and then push forward, pushing the mountain. Breathing in, breathing out, or taking as many breaths as you need. One more time, pushing the mountain. This time, draw the hands in, the palms face each other. The hands go out to the corner. The palms face away from each other. They open, circling out and around, scooping under, and then back out to the corner, parting the clouds. See if you can feel the air between the fingers. How mindful can you be? One more time, parting the clouds. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree right out in front. Shift the weight as you step in, draw the hands in towards the heart. Step out to the corner as you push the mountain. Breathing in, breathing out. Really taking your time, no rush, nowhere to go. Can you be here now? One more time, pushing the mountain. This time, draw the hands in, the palms face each other. The hands go out to the corner, palms face away from each other. They open, circling out and around, scooping under, and then back out to the corner, parting the clouds. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree right out in front. And from here, the palms face each other in front of the heart. And as you breathe in, the hands open slightly. As you breathe out, they come towards each other. This time, open a little bit more, breathe in a little more. Breathing out. This time, big open, big breath. Accordion breathing. We'll do another round, starting off small, then a little bigger. This time, big open, big breath. One more round, accordion breathing. Breathing in, breathing out, opening a little bigger, and then big open. And then from here, the palms face up, the hands drop down in front, they scoop under all the way up and over, and then down in front of the body. As if we're gathering in this energy, gathering in the breath, and letting it wash through the body. The bathing breath. As if we're bathing in this healing energy, giving us healing and vitality. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, the bathing breath. This time the arms float out to the side, spreading your wings. The arms float down, the palms face down, they circle in front, all the way out to the sides, and then back towards the center. As the hands come forward, you can soften down. And then rising back up, the pebble in the pond, sending waves out in all directions. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, the pebble in the pond. And then this time, the palms face up. They come forward as you soften down. Then the palms face away from each other. They open as you rise up, scooping under, back out in front. Two hands offering. The hands come forward as you soften down. Palms face away from each other. Rise up as you open, and then forward. Two hands offering compassion, offering love, offering kindness. Simply offering your presence. And anything else you'd like to see in the world. Sending it out there. One more time, two hands offering. This time the palms face up, one hand on top of the other, right by the lower abdomen. And then this hand floats all the way up and over, and then down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up. Breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time, both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can, comfortably. The hands float down to the waist as you soften the hips and knees. Circle the hands in front, gather in the energy, bring it into the heart to transform into loving kindness and self-compassion. And then down. One more time, open the heart. Rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart. Press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. Then the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly. Bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile, expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And then if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow.